Hello, this is Big John Peterson with Remax Realty Professionals, and welcome to Big John's Thoughts on the Market for August of 2019. What I want to do is talk to you a little bit about the July numbers that we've seen, how they compare to last year, and what trend we're starting to see in the marketplace. And definitely that trend is towards a balanced market. Are we balanced yet? No, but we're definitely moving towards that. And that's really because we've seen a stabilization in the number of sales that are occurring, but the inventory numbers are decreasing and have been decreasing over the last few months. The big thing we looked at is that absorption rate now for the city of Calgary is down by a month. So that absorption rate it's a huge factor in when we're looking at the health of the marketplace. So let's talk a little bit about what those detailed numbers are. So when you take a look at the absorption rate, and again, we're looking for that number to be between 2 and 3.5 months worth of supply in the market. Overall, in the city of Calgary, we've seen that number now is 4.4 months worth of supply. We're not at balance yet, but we're definitely moving towards it. And you compare that to a year ago where we were sitting at about 5.5 months worth of supply in the marketplace. Single family detached homes is about 3.8 months worth of supply in the market. So again, in some areas of the city, we are definitely seeing balanced market conditions for single family detached homes. A year ago, that number was 4.7 months worth of supply. Attached homes, 4.9 months worth of supply in the market versus a year ago at 6.5. And apartment style condominiums is a little bit higher at 5.7 months worth of supply in the market. But a year ago, it was just over 7 months worth of supply. Now, when you take a look at how many sales are occurring for every new listing coming in the market, we're seeing that overall it's about 0.6 of a sale for single family detached. It's about 0.62 of a sale for attached homes and apartment style condominiums. It's about 0.57, 0.59 of a sale for every new listing coming in the market. And the key number we're looking for there is about 0.6 to 0.65 of a sale for every new listing coming into the marketplace. Again, that represents balance. So what we're seeing is that we're seeing a decrease in the absorption rate. We're seeing an increase in the number of sales for every new listing coming into the marketplace, and that trend again continuing towards balanced market conditions. When we look at July, overall, the sales in July were up about 6.4% from a year ago. The year-to-date total sales down about 1%, but that's sort of falls in line with what I was saying around balance is occurring on the sales portion of the equation. When you take a look at the new listings coming into the market, those were down 8% in July. And when you take a look at the overall inventory, it was down about 15%. The overall benchmark price is down versus last year. But again, that is because over the last year, we had this imbalance in the marketplace. And as we move towards balance, we're going to start to see these prices stabilize as well. Benchmark pricing is down about 3.5%. Again, some areas significantly greater declines than that, and then in other areas, maybe not as much. So, are we at balance yet? No, we're not. Are we moving towards it? Absolutely. Single family detached, we are in balance in some marketplaces. Apartment style condominiums, they're still oversupply, but you're seeing that oversupply start to balance out. So if you're looking at buying a condo, now's the time. Single family detached homes, you're looking at balanced conditions in a lot of those marketplaces. So a lot of those great deals are starting to go away. They're starting to come out of the marketplace, and it's simply because that supply demand equation is balancing out. But remember, if you're looking at buying and selling in this market, it is still the case that all of the money that you're going to make is in your purchase. If you get a situation where somebody has a home that's been sitting vacant or something like that, that's where you're going to be able to really be able to get a little bit more aggressive of a deal. Now, remember, those are starting to dry up. There's getting to be fewer and fewer of those opportunities available. As people do those final price adjustments on their properties, we're seeing that increased activity on those homes. We're seeing offers coming in on those properties, which is a great sign. It's turning into a much healthier market as we slowly move towards balance. If you have any questions about what's going on in your community, what the value of your home is like, what you need to do to prepare your home for sale, or if you're looking at buying or investing in a property, now is still the time to do it. Interest rates are low, still decent inventory out there, but that window may be closing as we see this continued migration or continued push towards a balanced marketplace. We'd love to hear any feedback that you have on this monthly update, or if you have any questions or concerns about the Calgary real estate marketplace, we're here to help. Take care. Have a great day. Bye-bye.